equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC19 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the base off the vacuum. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the base removed, you will see the motor assembly. Now, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult with an expert. After disconnecting the wires, use your pliers to remove any clips holding the motor in place. Once the clips are removed, you can lift the motor out of the housing. Take a moment to clean the internal components of the vacuum while you have it open. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Now, take your new motor and carefully place it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and that all connectors align properly. Reattach the clips to secure the motor in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Next, reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring that each wire is connected to the correct terminal. Refer back to the notes you made earlier to ensure accuracy. Once everything is connected, replace the base of the vacuum cleaner and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson DC19 back into the power source. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With these steps completed, you should have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC19. Enjoy your revitalized vacuum cleaner. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.